Good morning. It is Vic with MsVix on this beautiful October 17th, 2024 full moon morning. I am so glad that you have joined me on my channel. I am navigating challenges of chronic illness in my life and in my business. Today, we are going to review a suggestion by a friend of mine named Robin, who also has a YouTube channel. I'll link it in my description below. But she suggested using a hair dryer to help me use my Scotty Peelers to remove my labels from my used boxes that I get from the neighbors. Here's our full moon right above my office, behind the trees and behind the tower. It's nice and bright, and everybody's gonna be a little off today, I think. I'm trying to get my hair dried a little bit because it's chilly outside today. I got my jacket on. It's a full moon. It's chilly. It's a good day. I'm concerned about driving into New Orleans to get my injections because it is a full moon and crazies come out on full moons. So I guess we'll talk to you later. Look what I found, guys. You ever seen those videos that have the little tiny hands? Well, this one's a nice little tiny skeleton hand. I got a match for this one, and I got another one. Go through my hair, get it nice and dry. please like and subscribe to join me on this journey. Down in the comments below, please tell me if you have a hairdryer in your shipping station.